Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Take. This channel is my small step towards achieving something big. To share the useful tech knowledge with clarity and simplicity. If you find value here, a like or subscribe really motivates me to keep going. Let's get into today's topic. Now, let's do a hands-on demo. I'm in AWS console. I will navigate to SQS. So we already have one queue here, that is my demo queue, which we have created in our previous video. So if you're not sure how to create any brand new SQS, then please refer my previous video. In this video, I will teach you how to create DLQ and how to work with it. So I will open this my main queue, and if I go to dead letter queue, we don't have anything configured. So what we can do here is I'll just click on edit. This is my existing queue, and if I come somewhere here, yeah, we have dead letter queue option here. Just click on this enable, and it asks us to attach the dead letter queue. We don't have any dead letter queue ready yet, so I'll just duplicate this and I will create a new dead letter queue. So creating dead letter queue is something similar to like how we create a main queue. Okay, so I'll click on this create queue and give any name, my demo DLQ, and keep those configurations as it is. We are not going to touch anything, and just click on create queue. So yes, we created the queue, and now we set this my demo DLQ as a DLQ to the main queue. Okay, here is our main queue, and let me refresh here. Dead letter queue, and I will choose as, see here we got my demo DLQ. I will set this as set DLQ. Click on save. Now dead letter queue is configured for our main queue. If I go to dead letter queue, here we can see dead letter queue, and here it shows maximum receives. If I edit, yeah, we can change it into 3. Why? Because after maximum 3 retry, message can move to DLQ. Or else if we keep it as 10, retry will happen for 10 times, so that is not required. We can set any value between 1 to 100. I think 3 is the right choice, so I will make it as 3 and save it. So now DLQ is configured with our main queue. Now we'll see how this DLQ works. Just to make sure, I'm repeating it again. So this is our main queue, and this my demo DLQ is our dead letter queue. Okay, so this my demo DLQ is configured to receive any failed messages from our main queue, that is my demo queue. Okay, to understand more, we will go to Lambda trigger. So my demo queue SQS is configured with Lambda. So the Lambda is here, we have that is hello Lambda. We will go to that Lambda first. View in Lambda. Okay, let it load. And for this hello Lambda, we have some code. Okay, so ideally what will happen, our main queue, that is my demo queue, will send message or any events to this Lambda. This Lambda will process it, and either it will store it in DB or it will just whatever it will do. Okay, so something similar is happening here. Okay, so this my demo queue sends an event, and this Lambda will receive it and it will process it. Okay, and if we look at the code clearly, so we are not doing anything. We are just, as of now, we are just logging it. Okay, and what we are going to do now is we inject some error here. Okay, so that our DLQ should receive the message when something got failed here. So what I will do is I will add a one line here. So this is the new line which I added to throw the exception. So like we are injecting intentional error here. Okay, now deploy this Lambda. Yeah, it is updating. Meanwhile, we can copy some message. So this is our message which we are sending it from queue. Okay, so yeah, it's already got updated successfully. So now we'll go to our queue. So this is our main queue. I will send message from here. Okay, so this is the message which we'll be sending to our Lambda. That's it. Just click on send message. Yeah, your message has been sent and it is ready to be received. So now our message is already received to the Lambda, but what will happen here is this Lambda just logs this like received SQS event, and eventually it will throw an exception, which means this Lambda will fail to process that message. Okay, so what will happen next? So that's what we wanted to learn. Okay, so since we are already configured DLQ into our main queue, the expectation is our DLQ should receive the failed events. And before that, we will go to the log first, the Lambda log, and we will see what's happening there. Now we are in the CloudWatch logs for the Hello Lambda. Okay, so this is the latest log, the first one. Let me open it. Here we can see received SQS event. This is the message which we sent from our SQS. Okay, and we can see here. So this received SQS event. Yeah. So we can see totally there are three occurrence of this received SQS event. One is here. That is also again within the same time. That is at 1640, 1641, and 1641:48. There are three occurrence here received SQS event, but we sent only one message from our queue. Why there are three occurrence here? To understand that, we will go back to our queue. We will edit our queue and scroll all the way down. Here we can see while we are configuring, we set maximum receive is 3, which means once a SQS message will be received by Lambda fails to process it. So here there are maximum receive is 3, means there is 3 retries happening. So that is why 3 times it logged. Okay, so that's where it's happening, and then we can see this is the error we injected intentionally to check our DLQ functionality. Okay, so that's it from the Lambda received our event from the queue, but it failed to process it, and there are 3 retries happened. So this all looks good, I mean working as expected. Now where is our message which we sent? It's not in Lambda failed to process it. We'll go to our DLQ and check it. So where is our DLQ? Yes, here is our my demo DLQ. So I'll just refresh it, and now go to send and received messages. Okay, so here it shows, okay, there is one message available. What we can do is we can do a poll for message. Okay, there you go. Here we have our message, which means failed message are already appeared under DLQ. So now this won't further process. I mean, it won't go to Lambda unless we make a call. How to do that? There is an option called start read DLQ redrive. With this, we can do that. Okay, I will show you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.